My dad has a cough that's been ailing him, so today I made a steam inhalation brew right here. And it's just boiling hot water with ginger, dried orange peel, and white flower oil, and you bring it to a boil. Then all of the scents, aromas, flavors, all the essence of all the ingredients melt together, and then you breathe in the steam, just like this. And it brings a lot of zen and relaxation. It's invigorating, and you really smell all of the different oils that are generated from the mixture of the white flower oil, ginger, and orange peel. And it helps clear up, it just helps clear up your nasal passage, your congestion in your throat passageway and your chest area. So again, just take in the peace and calm and zen. Yeah!